Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlike all of your liked videos on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy. So let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the TikTok app here. And for instance, I'll just like this video so that you can see it added to the list of liked videos. And I'll show you how to unlock all of them. So at the bottom right, we're going to tap on the profile icon. And then you can see towards the middle of the page, here is the 6 lines, the lock, the bookmark icon, and then to the right is the heart. So I'm going to tap on that. And those are all the videos that you've liked. And you can see the little eye with a slash through. That means it's private. Nobody else can see those liked videos. And you can see this video that I just liked in this video. So you can see all of these videos that I've liked. And if I want to, unlike them, I can't do it in bulk. There's no way that TikTok lets me do that. But I can just tap on the first one, tap the unlike or the hard button, and then just scroll through and quickly tap these hard buttons so I can go through this list. And unlike all of these videos, and then you can see now I have unliked all of these videos, and I have no videos that I've liked on the TikTok app here. Of course, I can go back in and like any videos that I want to at this point, or just leave it that you don't have any videos in this liked section. I hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.